Welcome, and following me is a Blaupunkt SM01, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to go into the settings. So let's open up settings up, and from here scroll down to storage. So right here, and then tap on your SD card, which is right here, as you can see. You can tap on the dots up here and go into the settings. And you'll have a couple options. We'll see at the bottom eject, but the primary ones are here, format and format as internal. So all we want to do is just tap on format, and you'll get a message that will remove basically everything that is on the card, so you'll lose all the data. Erase and format, then you get a progress bar. Give it a moment. SD card ready. And then you also get a message, do you want to use it as a default drive? I'm just going to tap on cancel. You can change that later as well. If you want to change it, you can actually go back into the storage and you'll see the option up on the top. So default write disk is right now set to the phone, but you can change it to SD if you like. Okay, but that's basically how you would format the SD card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.